Today I want to introduce you about our bamboo round bottle. We have two inner bottle for you to choose, the glass inner bottle and the plastic inner bottle. For the glass inner bottle, we have the capacity such as 5 ml, 8 ml, 10 ml, and 15 ml. And for the plastic inner bottle, we have 5 ml, 8 ml, 15 ml, and 20 ml. We have the steel bowl, plastic bowl, and glass bowl for you to choose. We also have different colors of drainstone bowl for you to choose. You can see for the logo can be a laser engraving on the bamboo as per your requirement. We can also do the skylight on the bamboo, like this one. For our bamboo round bottle, our MOQ is 5,000 pieces and the lead time is 35 days. So that if you are interested in our bamboo round bottle, please contact me on Alibaba. Thank you.